Dear students, congratulations for successfully completing lesson on Organization of National and International Information Systems and Programs during the 13th week of this 15 weeks course on Information Sources, Systems and Services. During this week, you have learned that the growing demand for information and increasing use of present facilities and services indicates the need and importance of such national, international and special information organizations within our information infrastructure. The inputs from various member countries have enabled most of the international organizations and agencies to be successful. In this lesson, an overview of international information organizations and national information organizations, systems and facilities in various subject areas has been discussed. Your important knowledge about some well-established national and international information organizations that include prominent national and international documentation and information centers, information systems, professional organizations with international standing, some national systems with wider orientation, and some special organizations offering information services in various specific subject areas. Finally, you were introduced to some global information systems like INIS, AGRIS, Infoterra that provide cooperative systems and services and work on the principle of decentralized input, centralized processing and decentralized output. During the 14th week of this 15-week course, you would go through the International Information Systems and Services and Products, INIS, AGRIS and Medlar's Medline in detail.